Hello, my name is Andrew Murakami, and I am a student assistant at the Creat'R Lab. We are open from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. every Monday through Friday. Today, I will be showing you how to use our Cricut Machine. Here's the Cricut Machine. Be aware of sharp tool heads and rolling parts in the machine, and keep fingers away from the rollers when the machine is operating. To begin, first start on the desktop next to the Cricut Machine and ask a student worker to open the computer for you to access the Cricut Design Space application. Click on the green New Project button to open a new workspace. In this new workspace, you can create shapes and upload images for the Cricut Machine to process. On the left side of the workspace are options to open a new project, preset templates, projects by other users online, shapes, Cricut images, text, and an option to upload your own images. Feel free to use any of the free assets on the program. Along the top of the workspace are options to edit your designs. If you would like to save your project, you can click on the Save button in the upper right corner and appropriately name your project. If you would like to upload images from your device, you can email the images to creatorlab@ucr.edu and download them to the computer and upload the images to the program. Alternatively, if you have the Cricut Design Space on your personal device, you can connect to the machine wirelessly and directly upload your project that way. Once you have your design ready to be cut, open up the Cricut Machine and press the power button. Ensure there is some empty space behind the machine. Next to the machine, we have various cutting mats and materials available for students to use. Select the material you would like to use and grab an appropriately sized green or pink mat. Remove the plastic cover off the cutting mat and press your chosen material onto the mat to prevent it from slipping. In the Cricut Design Space, click on the green Make button in the upper right corner. This will take you to the Setup page to cut. Here you will find options to set the amount of copies you would like to cut, size of the material, and size of the mat. Once set, click on the green Continue button on the lower right corner. Then select the materials you would like to use. You can find more materials by clicking on Browse All Materials. You can also adjust the amount of pressure placed on the material. After selecting the type of material, load your material into the Cricut Machine by placing the material in front of the rollers and press the flashing arrow button. You may need to slightly push the material to ensure the cutting mat is inserted correctly. If the mat is inserted incorrectly or is uneven, you can press the arrow button again to unload the mat. Once the cutting mat is inserted correctly, press the flashing C button on the machine to begin cutting. Be sure to keep fingers away from the machine while it is running. When cutting is complete, release your project by pressing the arrow button. Peel off your project from the mat and place the plastic cover back over the mat. When you are finished using the machine, please turn the machine off and close the front and top lid. And that is how you use the Cricut Machine. For further help or questions, please come visit us in the Creat'R Lab, which is located in the Orbach Science Library, room 140. You can also email us at creatorlab@ucr.edu. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.